Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application. And if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Now tap on it. And after that, right here we have ambient sound. So, we have few options how to enable it. The first one is to use an application. So, just tap at the noise cancellation right here, and we just enable it. But we can also use gestures, and by default, you need to press and hold at the touch areas on your right or left earbud. The touch area is located right here at the back side of your earbuds, and you just press and hold on it. And as you can see, I just swapped to ANC. And also I will show you how to change this gesture preset. So we use press and hold, but let's say you want to use another gesture for it. You just scroll down and you go to the controls. And then you can select something for you. I mean, you wanna use single tap, so just press at the left or right earbud at the single tap. Because by default, as you can see, we have it at the press and hold. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!